Hello dear traders, it's Wednesday the 5th of March. You're watching daily financial news from InstaForex with me, Anna Kasatkina. The pace of economic growth in Australia topped the analysts' expectations in the fourth quarter. According to the RBA, consumers spent more and saved less for the last 3 months of the last year. Thus, the growth of consumer spending supported domestic market. Compared with the third quarter, Australia's GDP advanced by 0.8%, while it gained 2.8% on year. The experts anticipated the indicator to add 2.5%. The Australian economy shows more of a sustainable recovery. From October to December, the mining sector, rental, hiring and real estate services contributed equally to the GDP growth. Export volumes and capital investment of the public sector increased, whereas private investments decreased. The Australian dollar rose in the news by 40 points against its US peer to 89.97 US cents. However, the Aussie failed to retain its positions and retreated to the level of 89.55 cents. The local unit added 0.11% since the beginning of the day. Notwithstanding better GDP figures, the pace of economic growth remains below the potential level of 3%. The reason behind that is the slowdown in the country's mining due to fewer investments. Nevertheless, the RBA expects stronger GDP growth this year and further weakening of the Australian dollar. And this was Daily Financial News from InstaForex. Thank you and goodbye.